I thought this was just a quick squall. I was wrong. What's that old commercial? Take me away, take me. Calgon. Remember that commercial? Calgon, take me away.
Calgon, take me away.
Hey, well, take me away to Texas. Get me out of this crap. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is nuts. So you're probably saying, okay, Rick, then what the heck are you doing standing out there in it? Because I wanted to show you.
Calgon, take me away.
Much better. No snowflakes in the face right now, baby. That's right, because we're on the seawall at Galveston, Texas.
I love it.
What am I doing with this coat on? Taking this coat off. I don't need this coat on. I don't need this shirt on either. What am I doing? It's called sleep deprivation, baby. It's 11 o'clock at night, and I just got to the hotel. Oh, but it is great. It's probably really windy right now. Sorry about that, but it's great. I love being down by the ocean, here in the ocean, feeling that wind off the ocean. Don't you guys? You feel it a little bit? I gotta be careful. Oh my gosh! You know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna be walking around like an idiot doing this vlog, and I almost fell off this wall. I really did. I wasn't being. I knew that was there. Oh man. Okay. But right now, it's just great to be here. Be here with you guys on YouTube. So thanks for joining us. See you guys in the morning. I can't believe I almost fell off that seawall. What an idiot. But you know what? All my attention, I'm crossing the road right now trying to not to get hit, but all my attention really is on you guys and sharing as much as we can here on the YouTube channel. I'm having so much fun. Just, you know, the content on the car, the content on you folks, and then how I facilitate it along the way. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I don't know if you guys can see me or not. I'm trying to stay out of the wind a little bit. It is really windy, but it's really warm, as you saw last night. And you're probably thinking to yourself, well, why'd you get in so late? Well, I usually schedule my stuff pretty tight for my trips. I love being at different locations and on location with you guys, sharing in the Corvette experience, but I try not to be away from the office too awful much. Well, this one worked out well where I had a little bit of flexibility, so I had kind of a day to keep in contact with a lot of people. I'm going to catch up on some emails today. I guess it's a good thing that I scheduled it that way, because let me just tell you a little bit about this. And you're thinking, well, Rick, why are you telling us this stuff? Because it's a vlog. This is my little corner of the world. And for those of you that are with us on my Corvette family, thanks for being a part of it. Thanks for being interested in listening to my ramblings. So let me tell you about last night. I really felt like Steve Martin in Planes, Trains, and Automobiles. I think I had just about everything but, yeah, I had everything but the train. Here's the thing. I got to the rental car place, and I wasn't left in a spot without a rental car like Steve was. But they did leave me out in the middle of this parking lot. He says, oh, there you go, you're all set, keys are in the car, see you later, and he takes off. I go to open the door, and that car's locked. If the keys are in there, I'm looking, it's like, hey! Hey, 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 hey! The guy's gone. I didn't have to walk as far as Steve Martin did and fall down into traffic. But I had to walk far enough, and by the time I got back to the place, I let them know, hey, car you left me with, if it had keys, they're in it and it's locked, and I need a car. So by the time they got me another car, got me back to location, it was an hour and 20 minutes wasted, which seemed like forever because it was so late last night. So when they switch up my cars, I had already paid for an Easy Pass. You guys like the sound of that? That's what I wanted to be. I'm sorry. I just love, I mean, it's all kind of murky looking, but I love here in the ocean. I just love being by the water, I really do. So they hooked me up with another car that doesn't have an Easy Pass. Well, you know, being a guy, you know, my navigation's not projecting through the Apple CarPlay as I suspected. It's one of the reasons I wanted a General Motors product, was driving a Chevy Malibu. So, you know, traffic's pretty heavy still last night around 11 o'clock, and I'm trying not to look at my phone, and I was like, okay, I know where I'm going. I'm heading south, okay. I'm going on the service drive along the 8 Beltway. Then all of a sudden, it ends. The service drive ends. I'm like, wait a minute, I'm supposed to keep going. There's like this big train thing. I'm like, okay, I know which way I gotta go. I gotta go south anyway, so I'm trying to get to the 45 to head out to Galveston. So I'm getting to the point, don't worry. I turn right, and I'm in this rail yard. And I was terrified to even try and get the camera and share any of this with you guys, because I had to get the heck out of there. I'm gonna follow this little road around, and I figured I'll get back out to civilization. No. I get back deeper and deeper into this railway. I'm like, where in the heck am I? Next thing you know, I see all these semi-trucks and big fences, and all of a sudden, here comes 2 dogs, 2 big, I don't even know what kind of dogs they are, big giant white dogs. Not on chains, mind you, not on chains. And thank God I wasn't walking, or this vlog right now wouldn't be happening. I'm not kidding you. These dogs started attacking the cars. Like, oh my God, I thought I hit one of them. I'm like, I'm trying to get out of there. Like, they're grabbing. I'm like, oh my God, I gotta get out of here. Finally get to the 45, finally get to Galveston, and you saw us last night when we finally got here. So yeah, that's Ricky's Planes, Trains, and Automobiles, and I'm just glad to be here to tell the tale. Those dogs, man. You know, I haven't even looked at the car yet to see if he damaged the car, but I mean, he attacked that sucker. I'm like, wow, this is real. And I gotta get out of here real fast.
Gobble, gobble.
So yeah, I was pretty happy the way I scheduled everything. So I had this day to do some follow-up, catch up on some emails. As I mentioned, we're going to be doing that. But my buddy Mike, who's bought several Corvettes from me, has an indoor go-karting track down here. So I figured, hey, this would be a fun little vlog filler, if you will. I'll go to Mike's place, and we'll drive go-karts inside and share some of that footage and get crazy and have a lot of fun. Well, call Mike, hey, I'm coming into town, you know, and he goes, yeah, well, I closed that place and we're building a new one in Katy, Texas. I'm like, great, what the heck am I gonna do all day? I'm gonna turn the camera on and talk to you guys, so that's what we're doing. So when Mike reopens that place, I think it's gonna be June or July, I intend to try and come back down here for the grand opening. And although we're not showing any Corvettes right now, this is a Corvette guy that's been representing it nationwide for almost 23 years now. I'm just glad to have the opportunity to be on the YouTube channel sharing things that go on in my life in the process of trying to promote Corvette. So thanks again for joining us, guys. I really appreciate that. And the subscribers continue to grow. Yeah, I told you guys, supporting the channel by watching the videos is awesome. I really appreciate you being here. But really supporting the channel by subscribing to the channel, so you're coming back over and over again and you're helping it build, helping it grow, because I've got all kinds of things planned, things that I want to do that I really can't quite do just yet. But believe me, they're bouncing around in here. It's going to happen soon enough. But in the meantime, we're going to continue to have fun, entertain you guys, keep you informed what's going on in the Corvette marketplace, and then share the Corvette lifestyle. And I'm really looking forward to this show, because I saw some of the highlights last year on Facebook it's an inside venue, by the way, at the Galveston Convention Center. And some of you folks, my gosh, Luann, we talked about one. I can't wait to see her car. You folks do some amazing things to your Corvettes. So thanks again for being interested in my day leading up to the Corvette show. I'm out here watching some folks fish. There were some dolphins just jumping over there just a little bit ago, and a couple of guys have caught a few things. Hey, just like I said in Ocean City, Maryland, I love to fish, but my daughter and I love fishing together, so I guess I almost feel guilty if I'm out here fishing by myself and she's not with me. So I called her on FaceTime and was showing her the area. And, this is the same pier that we were on about 5 years ago, the first time that I brought her and her brothers out to Texas. So definitely missing the kids. It's hard for me when I'm away like that. I love having them with me and experiencing different areas that I've been able to travel to, you know, thanks to Corvette. And yeah, so having the vlog now, I mean, you guys are my buddy along for the ride. So again, I say it 1,000 times, but it is sincere. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and thanks for, almost put my hand on a bird poop. But but thank you. I gotta watch where I put my hands. But thank you for watching. I do appreciate that. So yeah, I'm missing the kids and turning on the camera sometimes and just talking, not sharing how much of this actually makes it to edit and makes it to the vlog. It's still very therapeutic for me. You know, with the channel growing so fast, I've got all kinds of ideas that are really going on. One was, you know, and I've had a couple of people say, hey Rick, you know, why don't you do, you know, I almost could do it. I don't think I want to do it for a number of reasons, and that's doing a daily vlog. A lot of people are like, hey Rick, you know, do longer vlogs, and hey, do daily vlogs. Oh man, you know, 12, 15 minutes I think is enough, sometimes a little shorter depending on the subject. And doing a daily vlog I think would give us a lot of that frequency that I'm looking for the growth of the channel. You know, so I think either you guys would get sick of me or you actually would miss something when you're doing something every single day. The other thing is too, I guess if I did a daily vlog, then, you know, doing some of the stuff that I try to make a little bit more of a production and a nicer flow and just some continuity. So if you're watching it for 15 minutes, it doesn't feel like 15 minutes. If I do a daily vlog, I just don't have the time to do that. And I think it becomes watered down, and the effectiveness, what I'm trying to bring to you guys here on the channel, is gone out the window. And that's not what I want. But thank you, though, for being that interested and saying, hey, Rick, man, do daily vlogs. But right now, I want to keep it on point. I want to keep it tight, bright, and right, because I don't want to lose you guys. I want to continue to grow the channel. I want to be here, and I want to be effective. And what we're talking about, be interesting, and somewhere along the line, be entertaining for you as well. But yeah, it's neat how Corvette starts that conversation. I'm on a plane, I'm in the airport, I'm at a restaurant last night, and folks always say, oh, hey, do you own a Corvette? I knew this guy, I had one, blah, blah, blah. It's a neat conversation. There's not anybody that you can't, I think this is a fair statement, I don't think there's anybody you can't meet in this country that if you're wearing Corvette stuff, and they see you and you kind of interact, that there's going to be a conversation about this car. See if these guys have caught anything yet. I was talking to these guys earlier. They saw some dolphins and stuff. How you doing there? Is that what you got so far? Anything else you catching? Just a couple more, you said?
Yeah, just
Earlier he said there were some dolphins jumping out there.
Yeah.
It's like Corvettes? Yeah, there's a Corvette show going on over there tomorrow. Yeah, I got a YouTube channel. You're on it right now. And tomorrow, not tomorrow, I apologize. Second day of that show over there, bikini contest. You like bikinis? Yeah. I don't know if you'll be able to hear us or not. It's getting kind of windy, but got another guy who's kind of relaxing, and I don't get that opportunity to relax too much. Here's a guy who's working for FEMA, been building houses here in the Galveston, Houston area. It's your first day off in over a month, right?
In over a month straight.
Oh, and look what he's doing. He's fishing.
What else do you do on your off day?
Yeah.
Fishing.
Yeah.
This is the most relaxing, peaceful thing that I can think of.
Yeah.
I don't do a whole bunch of other stuff. I work and I go fishing. So this is my therapy. This is my day off. And I hope you guys are taking some time to get you some days off, some rest.
Yes.
And go fishing. Every chance you get, go fishing.
Catch a bunch. Catch a bunch.
I hope so.
Oh, look at that. That's what happens. You walk away and you got a bite, right? What'd you get? What'd you get, man? He come running over here. Oh, look at that. There's a big one. All right. All in a day's work. Look at that. Our Corvette channel's just turned into a fishing channel. He's got another bite. Let's see what he's got. Alright, let's see what he's got. Probably another catfish. That seems to be a lot of what's biting today is the catfish. It was kind of cool to catch that stingray on there, though. He cut him loose. And another catfish. Alright guys, sorry about that. It's not really what I intended for this vlog, and you know me, once I get talking, sometimes I simply can't stop. But talking to you folks here on the YouTube channel is truly enjoyable for me, so we'll call this vlog getting ready for the Corvette Expo at Galveston. But did have some good food for thought, some good stories. I always have some adventure, don't I? Oh my gosh. It was just good to have some conversation with you, and I think, you know, sometimes on the vlog, you know, from showing the deliveries or showing the car or talking about the marketplace, just talking about us on this channel, it's kind of nice to break away a little bit. I enjoyed this one today. I hope you did too. I'm looking forward to part 2 and most likely a part 3 from the Corvette Expo here at Galveston, Texas. But I think it needs to be acknowledged because it is a great accomplishment. In fact, let me just read this here real quick off my Facebook page from your friend and mine, Chuck at Corvettes 918. He was the first one to comment. He says, Rick, congratulations on 5,000 subscribers. This is a huge milestone and just the beginning. And it's not just the cars that they have here, guys. Did you see, and I know you got set up late too. We were both trying to get in the door.
Right, this morning, yeah.
But the displays they have, it's not just setting a car there and putting some stanchions around it. I mean, there's some neat themes. This one guy's got this buried treasure theme and all kinds of gold coins and mermaids around it. And then my customer, Luann, that I was just talking about, she's got a time traveler and all these time clocks and all this neat stuff. It's neat, the fun that they have in displaying the pride they have for Corvette.
Well, you know, back in my day anyway, I mean, you got awards for your display.